Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow Lion's Mane Mushroom Kit. Start by preparing a clean workspace and gather the kit, spray bottle, and a small hygrometer. Open the kit per manufacturer instructions and maintain a stable environment. Keep humidity high and provide indirect light while monitoring temperature. Gentle handling reduces contamination risk, and simple tools like a tray and hygrometer make the process consistent and stress-free for better yields. To encourage flushes, fan the kit 3 times daily for proper gas exchange and keep humidity high with regular misting. Adjust misting frequency according to room humidity and avoid pooling water on the substrate surface. Monitor temperature and move the kit to a cooler spot if it overheats. Use a small hygrometer to track conditions and make gentle, consistent changes so the mycelium can focus on producing healthy mushroom fruit bodies. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while you rest between mushroom flushes, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable reading and long battery life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more focused growing guides. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals to support the channel and find accessories for humidity control and lighting. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Harvest gently by cutting the base with a clean knife when spines measure about 1 to 3 inches and before they brown. Inspect mushrooms for pests or slimy spots and trim any damaged areas. For short-term use, refrigerate in paper to keep texture, and for longer storage, dehydrate slices at low heat, then seal them airtight. Proper harvest timing and storage preserve flavor, texture, and medicinal compounds for later use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.